Hey everyone, we are at ARMORMAN 4x4, our newest branch, which is our headquarters in Canopy on Barry Road. We have a new addition to the company, which is ARMORMAN Trailers. We have them on a special, fully customizable, at the best price you can ever find for only 17 grand, which is best price in the market, I can guarantee you that. But anyhow, you may ask, what am I going to be getting for 17 grand and up? Well, let me walk you through. We've got a dual axle trailer built for all your construction needs and everything. Comes central locked. Internal is fully decked out, all ready for your use by our drawer system here. More storage on the top. Floor mat underneath so you don't scratch it. You want to keep it nice and neat. We got internals here, all your switch panels, battery system, inverters and everything. Get your radio. Doors are fully aluminium to keep it more lightweight. Here, this section at the front is for your fridge and everything. It's a fridge slide, rated for a 100-liter fridge. Putting all the pressure on it, nothing else. Here, all your Anderson plugs and everything. Storage on the top, got some lighting. It's good for work and camping at the same time. Come to the back. You have a rear access. More storage space at the back here, and sweet butt. Drawers, 30 centimeters deep in, almost 160 long. You have a step ladder on this side, the full length roof rack, rated for 500 kilograms on the top, and you have the